The product liability. You know, under section under Article 46, of our Constitution, every consumer has a right that is protected in law. You cannot sell a product to a consumer and escape liability if your product is defective. Now, in this case, you have Hino buses and Hino trucks that were sold under warranties, under the representation that this is the best selling product in Japan, only for it to break down within the use of about a month or so, or several weeks. How then can you say that you will escape liability? How then can you expect someone to pay up for the loan under that vehicle when the warranty is still on and you don't even have a replacement part as a supplier? In other countries such as Japan, the US, the UK, or in Europe, such a product would be recalled immediately and removed from the market. But you have a product that is still being sold, defective as it is, and that this should be okay in our country. Something is terribly wrong with commercial inclinations that suppress that which should be safety, that suppress that which should be honesty, and that which should be good corporate governance in the business world. So a product that is patently defective should not be sold in the market, and this is what the Hino product, specifically the model FC500 is. It should not be sold because it poses a safety hazard and a threat to every road user, not just those who purchase. Because if the brake system fails and you are driving ahead of such a vehicle, your vehicle will be hit. You suffer that risk no matter how careful you are on the road. A defective vehicle, if it is driven behind you, may even kill you. We do not want that sort of safety hazard on our roads, and the NTSA should be at the forefront to ban such vehicles from our roads. But before you ban them, you should prevent the user, the consumer who's out there, from even purchasing it. And therefore this brand should be completely banned from the market. And we say so with respect, because you don't hear these sort of complaints on a frequent basis. But once they occur, then you know that someone has a legitimate complaint. And this is a legitimate complaint that has been made about the Hino FC500 product. Why should it develop a braking system failure within a few weeks, a few days of its use? Why should it develop mechanical failure of the engine within a few days, a few weeks of its use? It shows that it is actually a product unfit for the use that it was being sold. But then you see, the thing is that brand don't see so that it saves you time, it saves you trouble, allowing everybody on board.
The court is minded to give that one.
No, we should just consent. We should just consent.